Okay, my people, when I welcome to the matter today for the House of Parliament of I, the Red. This is not the only bus we get 4 steering and 4 drivers. My name is Elenu, and of course, I know the way we do. I'm seated close to me, the second driver waiting near me, now be Fred, aka MC Shaggy. That's all.
That's all.
And of course, the man who they call the Otota one of Nigerian comedy. Hashtag I just married. Lucky Shide.
Honestly spoken, you know lie.
And finally, last but not the least, as Oyibo people go talk and they call him fine boy. Nobody say na so he be true, but na fine boy. MC Shakara, aka the 5-star comedy general.
Yes, so na so he be. And as I'd always like to start, Pekin, where they beating Papa. When they happy, see they watch wrestling. I'm sorry for you. You never know what they put to your papa. Until school fees no way to come aside from again.
And of course, now my people also talk and say, now by proverb, when they come up for best mouth, now they think they know people.
I beg. No, be some proverb are for book with the reader.
You know when they say the book of proverbs?
I don't know.
You know
proverbs. Before Psalms.
No, since now you know when they say book of proverbs now.
After Psalms, I'll be okay after Psalms.
No, you don't see how. You don't even know where it is.
No, but somewhere around Psalms.
Of course, this is not the only program we give you that license to send matter come the way you hear them for news, you see them for TV, you hear them for radio. I've been a procurator here. Send and give us our email. Will be I the Red at wazobiatv.tv, and we will go bring and go talk and come the way the thing go take tori you for body. Of course, they say what you concern Agbero with overload, but true overload sometimes they kill. But when I look this video, I don't get much to talk about it.
Where is that video?
Kagak, dia ngambil ancang-ancang, Bang.
Allah Akbar. Ya, mirip.
Confirm.
Jeez, this is true video.
You see the way the motor they move like who drink. You don't say why you drink. Nobody you go call the control yourself again. The drink go call you go to pizza they go straight. Why they go like this?
Maybe they miss the fuel.
Like you no go blame all these people. You know Nigeria, you know how much person take buy one motor. Then make if you fit come out that kind of money buy motor, you go use them. When they don't use that for city, you go send and go give your brother for village. Now come begin use and do short. When they use and do short before you go tomato market, they go use and carry load.
I know this kind of motor before they load and so some people don't advise them. Say this load too much, so we'll tell you. How many times this motor they
lie, lucky shot, na lie. For where this kind of motor they take the load, nobody they advise them.
Who tell you?
It's about so if you put another 20 bag of rice on top, you go see if you carry.
Anybody will advise this kind of motor. The load that now.
I want me if you tell police that they plan. Watch that video. Let somebody don't top that load. Person don't top that load. Look and where.
Now why now person where they hold them now?
No. Now they give the balance.
The person okay.
Notice something. When the motor will fall, the person come. Let's say the person refuses. As motor they go like this, they go like this. So you can follow the motor fall on top the rectangular angle of the load.
Well, maybe not bridge the blow.
They will show.
See the motor.
Look where.
Come up for road.
Look where.
Look where. They say they try to balance. Don't come on. Come on.
Look where. Go on. You see person. Gravity DEY.
I did try to see the person, but
you don't say wait to read the book of. If you still read the book of proverbs, you know what they say.
Book of proverbs, they give problem.
Of course, make it be like say, but too much overload. They kill. I beg, but know the load. Nobody say you go carry trailer load, put on top pickup. It cannot work.
No, too much load, too much of everything bad now.
Too much of everything is bad.
At least they won't meet up their daily bread. No easy now.
You know, feel last.
Yes, I know be daily bread. Now daily bread.
Now daily bread.
Yes, I daily porridge.
They won't meet all the weekly bread.
They say overspeed.
This country must better. I see the channel them to the government. Only now make you go some house. They go use fridge. use them. Fridge will spoil it, go not to pop up. They'll come and put this inside. What's it happen?
I don't say Nigeria will get the security problem. Now let Nigeria now go house and be like say fridge. You know say they come with key on the or they still do padlock.
Yeah, because I can't cheat away there.
It dey happen with pot too. You know say you get where go use pot. The pot bag go black go tea. Small time, what call the squeeze.
They call the knock up. Anyway, now and I be say, well, they tell you that I say, could I try? No, they do all those kind of things. They cause death. So much of everything is bad, and too much of load for small motor, they kill. But sometimes I don't know whether if this no balance, they kill too. This next story where we see for inside newspaper, say 35-year-old man, they say the man just kill himself because say you know if he
no fear run chase again.
You know, if he
okay. Say the man, 35, commit suicide.
Commit suicide. Say you be like one of your friends touch him with something. He can't notice say he know they work again.
Why? You go kill yourself.
Why?
Say something no work. Other things are working. Your mouth they work. Your other you can eat. You can play football.
No, that's very important now.
You can do that.
That is more important past football and math things. But seriously, I can't wonder, say, why be say human beings, they find it easy to take their lives? We be say even animals, they like life past human beings nowadays.
But this thing not be for Nigeria, be?
Now Nigeria now Ondo.
It is strange. It's strange for Nigeria because they hardly commit suicide for this country.
No, be what happened for Tomiland Bridge of recent where somebody jump come up from motor jump better out. It don't happen where now.
Now I want to take cold shower.
You know where I no go even blame the guy. Our Nigerian women, two things where they value: your pockets and your
core. Okay, Chakrama, your P and your P.
And your P and your P. Your PP. Your P and your P. You understand? When we say you no come dey work, the way they will take run you down, you get what the woman go tell you. Our women man they kill our men. Because I believe say that man not just commit suicide like that. He don't know say that he know the work, he don't take. But now recently when we say one woman don't go tell am word. She say you as you dey like this, as you dey.
Shakara, you don't run till finish like this, and your day,
your day nothing.
Your day
like book.
As your run till finish, called day night looking. You know even strong, sir.
Coach you know, I talk story about say animal they like life pass with human being. I remember when we at this school then we started wash cloth for back. Rain won't fall that time. Night thunder blew. I won't go to the chop leave. Shakara, you see this go to run enter our compound. Me will be human being a day.
Make I just ask one question. Off the record, this one no dey wetin we dey talk. Why you say you dey always get living experience? So every topic since this television don't launch.
Your life
you need to bring your certificate. You need to bring your privacy certificate.
Past poverty.
Shakara, stop past poverty.
Talking about this cranking thing, you get another way I should say Shakara.
You know, since as we talk since I know the wait when I go this story why I get because
Shakara wait why all this story always they go for you?
No,
this cranking story.
No matter of say cranking story come for me.
Everybody get their area specialty.
Yeah.
Doctor, let me take the story. DPO, don't mind in there. What really happened here is the case of
talk this
cat and dog are friends.
Okay.
You understand? There may be one, now call one that you help me. The cocoa of the matter be say, these people. These people they be friends, they be colleagues, they work for the same place, National Union of Road Transport Workers. They work together.
That's Agberu.
That's professional Agberu. Agberu will get license. See and there. So the guy will be say, follow him friend, go pay bright price or do best man, everything. When the guy don't get problem with his wife, the wife can't go to meet the friend, you know, say, you know, all those guys, I get problem with my man. No. You know, when they talk to her, maybe in a night. Maybe
after marriage, I don't tell my wife, so I don't get best friend again.
No, you don't happen between us.
Because now Shakara and I follow me go to bright price.
Yeah, so things can go up right.
No. I cannot do that. So, the nutshell of the whole matter, so you both go talk. So the process of consoling the woman, maybe never take light for night, where they house and rain come the fall. Now they come.
So they don't go planting your
So the one thing we come from sad pass, the process of when they collect, now they fall die.
Ah, Magun.
Confirm Magun.
Ah, Thunder Bolt.
Okay, wait till I can't do the woman.
Wait till I want to.
Now, wait till I do the woman.
You know, say, it depending on the family. You get some, you know.
I like this all the also depend on the family because if I tell story now, so they always get story.
You get story.
You get from your life experience.
No, not my life experience, but the reason why I asked what they do a woman, you get this particular happen. The guy carry the woman go, but because the guy is a naval officer, the guy died for the hotel. They can't arrest the woman. They can't carry the woman from that hotel straight to Kirikiri prison. So they can't give the woman one nickname, HP. Wait to be HP. They say from hotel to prison.
but wait. I don't want to carry like this kind of will like say the guy now die on top of the woman. I don't want to carry and go court because now evidence already say, my lord! See him, now the evidence be this. See the man there on top of the woman. Look at it. Now so she die.
You know, say you get country with this thing go up, and the woman then go even sue them. But say, can you imagine your son? He was on top of, and he died on top of me. For dead body on top of me.
I did not die on top of another place.
You don't see where to die. I'm going to sue your family.
But I don't too blame them too sharp for say they do am beside their friend because I see and say maybe a friend not sabi run things well. Maybe friend not sabi run things well. Now I can't help him. So the process of cranking.
Maybe like now what happened to the first man of 35 who committed suicide?
Yes, now.
I'm your own problem. Since this guy, my guy never fit do anything. Maybe I just my help my guy. And my best friend, what are friends for? I mean,
that they see some people children they resemble their friends. They're not saying that the clothes.
That's like some children they resemble landlord now.
My son resemble me.
Now lie, Shakara, Shaggy.
No, nobody feel for let no argue that one.
No, wait, dress. Why they try to hey, don't talk with me.
What is it?
This is not Shakara for nose. Let me get Shakara nose.
This is the I the red, and we don't talk about before. Say, man, or a 35-year-old man will be like say, body they walk. Actually, people could call her, she know we horse with this.
Body they walk, I be manhood.
And if man who know work, what
everybody.
They talk this thing when
okay, man who know they work, he commits suicide. 35-year-old man.
They say somebody sleep with
Shakara, Shakara my best friend now. Another person best friend can go sleep with another person's wife. You know if it happen to me, Shakara.
Not be say two of them. Not be say sleep with them. He make love to them. Not say sleep with them.
Sleep with them, sleep outside.
That be the matter what they talk here. But I see they tell you now say if you get news, we like say you see it there. And you go like bring her come. Any news at all. We don't get anyone who know they talk. Anyone where you see, send her, come give us email. Will be IDERED@Wazobia TV.tv. I mean I the red. The day now DEY IDERED@Wazobia TV.tv. Send her, come give us. We will go talk and here the thing go talk for body. No go anywhere, more go drink small water, we'll come back. Okay, my people, now welcome back. My name is still Eleno, and this now the parliament, the boss will be say get first steering with 4 drivers. They drive. This my eye the red. Of course, we don't talk about before 35-year-old man will commit suicide, and also National Union of Road Transport Worker, aka Agbero, where the professional Agbero, where person best friend.
With a nice name.
He wants to wear uniform.
Yes. Torchlight, the wife. The next matter now, make we hand up over to our second driver within the house, MC Shaggy.
Back in there. This one I just small matter. Every say yes. You don't see him for
Every time they shoot gun.
Don't try for us to go bite your tongue. The next matter I want to get for grand matter MC yes and for Lagos here it happen. Maybe say one guy just they use they find look for a daily bread, and he come say waiting they sell. Now blue film they in the cell. So now
man and woman film.
The man and woman where they run things. So now they come baba. You say Lagos State they get many law, but you know they get some law when they ever create we don't know.
Yeah, I don't even know say this this in a law.
They come bab the guy, carry and go. They arrest the guy saying they sell blue film.
But one question with me I want to ask, you see, before they arrest this guy, so they consider us, sorry, the masses,
masses,
where they benefit.
He good as them. He good. You know why you don't finish the story.
I know. I show now what's happening.
He good as them arrest them because they don't put many people for trouble. You know, say you get one pastor who come from East, come Lagos, may come buy Amazing Grace CD. If they hear they see they play Amazing Grace, may they give a CD. Now they can go carry these people where they sell this blue film. Put inside the CD for pastor. You don't know, he cannot go in church. He say, oh yeah, today let's worship God. I want you people to see. Now they begin play. Church empty now. As they talk to you now, the pastor now usher for another church. So good as they arrest them.
Why? As they arrest, how many will arrest? As you did, what time you say blue film not there your fool?
For where why
you?
Shaggy, why?
I'm an adult. They will elder statesman like me.
You elder statesman no go get blue film for you.
You elder statesman no get blue film.
If you don't get time, not try now. But serious, Shaggy.
When they go, you know hear that confirm.
Wait. According to Lucky Shad,
Shaggy,
tell us one life history.
As Shakara talk, myself, I was supporter. The same about life history. Because truly, Shaggy and Shakara and Elenu.
You get one thing without happen before now.
This blue pit thing, the way that they say, they don't make up everywhere now. It don't spoil our youth, especially teenagers.
Because even the old mama themselves.
12 years old, for area, 12 years old girl get belle. For what? If not about this thing. I go ask and say, Ochuko, come. Now belle you get so.
No.
Now them say no, na stomach ulcer. If Jiboli them say na stomach ulcer, they see belle, so they ask me to get belle. They spoil them.
Based on true life story. When I read those,
thank God,
get one girl. When we say nobody knows say she get belle, she just there, she dey package the belle, get her the do am. She dey wear big, no say just cold. So everybody wear sweater for just. Okay. So we got take and say na cold, you know, they wear sweater. One day she just climb Okada, go hospital, boom, come back. Nobody see belle, no nothing. So now they call give her nickname, they call Mama Jesus.
Now, with another life story too. This what happened to me.
Okay, life story that they call now. Let me say,
but you say everybody, nobody, all of us.
What are friends for if you cannot?
Where would they grow? Where would they grow? Most of us watch Blue Film.
No, I know what.
Minus me.
No. I look. I know what.
I see the poster.
That's how they dodge that theater. I don't lie for you. I did dodge that theaters. I can't dodge that theaters one day. My master be flogged where. Call the watch. I call your mama the climb staircase because more than I are off the thing. I not quickly remove her. And I say, what did they watch? I say, no. What did they watch? No, that fear now. See flogging. I call enter room. I call say my mama go sit down. I go sit down. Now what did they watch since with this? Which can't you picking? They flog me small. And I say, small than anything just off. I say, so where the second one? Any other second one?
So let me say you need to flog your mama.
You see? The government today, they should think about people. When they think about other people, they say this is the beneficial too. That's what I'm saying.
No. You get what they talk about. It gets some people will be say the thing they help. You get some home married people who maybe say if they no watch them, they no fit ginger. They don't they used to themselves.
Yeah. If government even as they joke, now good thing that government they do make them know.
Government no ban.
Just like I talk, I say if you want drink alcohol, drink responsibly. Although we no say we know they drink responsibly. Once you carry money go give you the say drink. Who won't check your ID card?
So if you want watch blue film, watch responsibly.
Maybe they go. I don't know whether they will get organization where many people now an organization where you're different this. Maybe organization of blue film sellers. Because recently, now some group come out, they complain, say everybody they campaign, nobody don't talk what they go do for them. Association of Nigerian prostitutes. say nobody don't talk anything.
You know, the ones that come out recently.
Then always they promise.
Now this guy be there now, Kelly Blind.
Okay.
Kelly Blind.
Disabled Association. They don't come out too. All of them come out. They say Lagos State and federal government affect their life.
Okay.
Okay, make you no break quiet. The next one we say. Lucky Child, what you get to tell us? According to your life history. Well,
now this is not real life history, but now good news, oh, hey, still on ID Rev, but now good news. No, this time. You know, so where every person call life now good news. But when it happen, and I make us able to talk the matter. You get this woman, they come from Ogun State, oh. You carry one picking for back, you hold one for hand. You can't get small belly. But as small belly that she get you. But as she come the road, they come, oh. For Mowe area, a memory can tell and say inside the bus where she did, it resemble hospital. And the driver resemble doctor. Why conductor resemble nurse? Now woman born inside bus. So woman delivers in a bus. Bouncy baby boy.
That's a very economical man. She don't want me to spend money for hospital.
At all.
What is the wrong inside?
I could trust some kind bus conductor. As the one when they want collect money now for two. Say no, let me no, you know be when they come down now. How many people they come down?
Shakara. Now that you can't go. To me, the picking plan in destiny come. He wants to be a conductor.
Oh my God!
No, everybody they go for inside bus.
Okay, no, say very soon now.
Because after all, they born Jesus for main judge.
If not, Barack Obama, when they born for Barack, you know go be president.
So with the situation of this, they go now.
I don't know.
Okay.
That's why you they name children now.
They name you for where they born.
Like you now, they born you for student and official studio.
That's what I get. One girl where they into poem. She go make the research. Can't tell me. Gloria the poet. Say even George Bush. Say that for Bush. Now they born.
So why they got a complaint of whom we born for boss? If they born a whole judge who rule America, Bush. That means say Nigeria get.
So the only name we never click for me so far. Now one guy from my street where they call success. He don't feel tired. So and he name na success. Nothing when they do any success.
Name they follow human being.
Really.
Oh my God.
So I have a dream that this picky where they born inside this bus go become president
of America.
Of Nigeria.
Not try Nigeria office.
When president they were lost for 1951, see the contest, you the dream of person they bought for boss yesterday. Make if like na 90.
No, by
people will fight.
Picking a conductor. A conductor.
Why they say na president? Everybody, people when they bought for hospital they never be president finished. Lucky no make me vessel.
Wait, Shakara. You know where they born Jesus?
That's people who fight independence for us.
No, Jesus now, they born for Menjana. That's why he's a good shepherd. Now we be sheep.
So, okay, this might be head of road transport workers, but at least
that like that
make you don't get best friend, no.
And I don't know what they imagine. You know, say somebody feel just die now. Go there, go see all those old people who don't die since. They go there and say, fight. Go they see that about Macaulay. Go they see all those Oyibo they rule us before. Because it's your country now. We gave independence to them. And say, now what? One of those people we give independence, I won't be president.
One of the people will shake your hand. I'm the president now.
But everybody speaking will come out easily now. One of that picking, that G so always the G say, woman get belly. You don't do hospital, don't they shout, push. Picking no green, they come out. Push, no green, they come. When go manage come, I laugh for you. There they go. Big family, go for me, and then they come out. But it's not easily.
Now, so now, of course, this is the I read where one bus we get 4 steering and 4 drivers to drive up. We don't talk about many things, and as we tell you always, if you get stories that we want more to talk, you hear them for news, you see them for paper, you hear them for radio, or even for television, you see them on our Proco. Just send and give us for email. We'll be idered@wazobiatv.tv. idered@wazobiatv.tv. It's your screen now. Just send the email because we'll go bring the matter, we'll go look them, go talk them. The thing will talk to you for body so that you go say, even in the midst of all the begewe day, you see feel laugh. Even as you read the serious topic, you feel laugh for the matter. And I make we day here to make your weekend. They go siriri, where. And I say where is it?
Where could
you make a belly street small again? We could see this last video so that if we talk inside before we go walk come off inside the studio.
In fact, viewers, see what I go do. Immediately the program finish and I find any nice video for house.
Don't play.
Don't play for yourself. Just take and say.
Nah, the conclusion of us.
Just take and say.
No, Monica, you know if they shout for example, yes, say video day. Who shall let who or do this? Viewers, now thank you for joining us. Good night. What do you talk? Why can we not wrap up?
Elenu, I know the red now. If you join all of us now, I will block you.
Oh boy. I don't know whether this one, I don't know whether we go still blame them on the government. Because anything now they blame say they blame say
na government.
So what be the government role now? For the video we're supposed to play, we don't play.
It be like
if you look into it,
the government of video.
No, it be like when they complain, say, this weather is too hot. The government should look into it. They want cover the country.
The last time we be saying now to set up committee
the committee,
to look into
the matter.
No, I did not
again when they set up one committee. The committee come they bring in results. They can say they could set up another committee to look into that committee.
If that committee where they look into committee and no do well, they will set another committee where they look into another committee. Where they look into another committee.
At the end of the day, the solution.
So at the end of the day now, make we look into the matter. We say we don't round up. Una good night. My name is Leno, and from me, Shaggy, Lucky Child, and MC Shakara, we say Odabo.
I don't say Odabo. I say good night.
I'll just say good night.